Do you want to get started using Sentry's new AI agent monitoring? I'm going to show you how really quick. First, go into your actual application code and find where you're initializing Sentry. Make sure you bring in the new AI agent SDK integrations. So in my case, I'm using Vercel's, but we also support OpenAI's agent SDK as well for Python. Once you have this set up, you can drop into your application code where you're actually calling the AI and make sure you bring in the experimental telemetry option. Make sure it's set to enabled true and give it a function name identifier. Once those are set up, anything you set up this way is going to be instrumented automatically for AI calls inside of Sentry. And so now when we come into the Insights view and drop into AI agents, you'll be able to see calls and their performance alongside your application. I can see things like the duration performance, LLM generation specific to models I'm using. And I can even see things like tool usage. So I can use that to debug, are the right tools being called when my prompts fire off. I can see token counts, so I can understand more about how different changes inside of my application are impacting token usage. And if I want more detail, I can come down and dive into these traces where I can see a curated view focused on AI-specific information. In here, I can see information like responses from the LLMs, what the system prompts are going over, how users interact, the full conversation flow, and I can even dive into things like tool calls and see what goes in and comes out of those. This makes it really easy to debug AI interactions inside of your application, full stack. So if your tool calls are calling things like databases on the back end, or you want to see how your front end is interacting with these tool calls, all of that is possible inside of Sentry. And you can use Trace Explorer to configure alerts around that or dashboard views. You can even use anomaly alerting to get notified if there's drastic changes in the performance of these, making it easy to get notified when things go wrong and get back into fixing them. AI agent monitoring is available now. We'd love for you to give it a try. Let us know how we can make it better and what you want out of it. Can't wait to hear from you. Talk to you soon.